Welcome back to Panic Eats. Today we're making baked honey sriracha wings. I've developed this honey sriracha sauce recipe myself and I'm super excited to share it with you. In previous wing videos, we were doing air fryer wings. Not everybody has an air fryer, so today I'm showing you how it can be done in an oven. First thing, to get this kicked off, preheat your oven to 420 degrees. Nice. First thing we're gonna do is season our wings. Follow the spice recipe ingredients on the screen. So we got our wings seasoned there. We're gonna take just a tablespoon of oil. Toss the wings. Get yourself a nice large sheet pan. Place the wings skin side down. Oil, we're just gonna drizzle a little bit of oil. Give it something to work with. We got our oven preheated to 420 degrees. We've taken the rack and we've moved it from the middle setting to one step up. So it should be the second from the top. And then take your wings, stick them in the oven. So we're gonna let that cook in the oven for about 20 minutes before we check them and flip them. We got our wings here at the 20-minute mark. I'm gonna take them, flip them over. Wings are flipped. They're looking pretty good. We're gonna stick them back in the oven for another 15 minutes. While those wings are doing their last 15 minutes, it's gonna be a good time to whip up that honey sriracha sauce. So you're gonna want medium-low heat. Take about half a cup of honey, half a cup of sriracha, a teaspoon of crushed red pepper, a tablespoon of rice vinegar, about 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, a tablespoon of brown sugar, and about 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Once that hits the pan, mix it all up. Once that starts becoming very fragrant, remove it from the heat and set it aside until your wings are done. Chop up some green onions. So now that our wings have done about 15 minutes, I'm gonna turn the heat off and put the broiler on high. So depending on your oven, the broiler might only need to go on those wings for 2 to 3 minutes, at most 5. I wouldn't really recommend over 5. Hey, but do what you want. They're your wings with a little bit of my recipe. So once you get a feel for it, have fun. I'm gonna bet you those wings are done. Here's our wings. Delicious wings. Beautiful. We're gonna take our wings. We're gonna stick them in a bowl. So we got our wings in the bowl. There's that sauce we made, and just drizzle, pour, get it all in there. Give your wings a good toss, and that sauce, get them on the plate. So we got our plate of wings, and we're gonna go sesame seeds. Just on that top, it's okay, it's garnish, it's for show. And then green onion. That green onion we chopped, remember? And you got yourself some fire honey sriracha wings. Hey, I'd just like to thank you guys for sticking around the video. May have been a little bit of an off one, probably because I was so hungry, but thank you for watching. Hit that like, comment if you enjoyed. Comment what else you'd like to see. Subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes, and we'll see you next time.